He related to the Kuch Bihar dynasty, which our Rajmata Gayatri Devi was also princess of Kuch Bihar, the famous name. Let me introduce the Kuch Bihar dynasty. In Satyug, this area and land was called Swargapuri, Indrapuri. There were Apsaras like Menka, Urvasi. Menka was related to Rishi Vishwamitra. He was Kshatriya. And Menka's daughter was Sakuntala. Sakuntala married to King Dushyant, and her son's name is Bharat, the forefather of the Tomars, Kuruvanshi. That's why Arjun denied to Urvasi, because Urvasi was wife of King Yayati, the forefather of Arjun. That's why he denied that you are my grandmother's great-great-grandmothers. I cannot indulge with you. And he got punished. But this punishment worthy worship for him in the Agyatwas. It is Satyug. Then it comes Treta Yuga. In Treta Yuga, their land called Mithila. From here to upper and up, like China, Nepal, Thailand, and everywhere in the upper side. The king's designation was Janak, not name. Janak is the designation of the king of Mithilas. Mother Sita's father's name was Janak Seeldhwaj. He was not only Janak, he was Janak, 14th Janak of, and name was King Seeldhwaj. Sita married to Lord Ram, the forefather of Solar dynasty like Dharuka, Shekhawat, Kachwaha, Rathod, and etc.
So you are Suryavanshi?
Yes, we are Suryavanshi and related to Alwar dynasty. I am Suryavanshi and related to Alwar dynasty. I am not from Kuch Bihar, I am from Alwar, Basset. He is from Kuch Bihar. We have to talk about Kuch Bihar. In Treta, there were Raja Narakdev, Narakasur. He was Narak Sur, but due to some reason, some peoples, they were against the Kshatriyas, they called Narakasur. King Narak was the son of God Narayan and mother Dhartri. He was Amar. Nobody can kill him. Only his father and mother can kill him. That's why Sri Krishna, he is Narayan, and Satyabhama, he is Dhartri. They killed him due to the Vasishtha. Narak's son was Bhagdat. Narak married to Maya Devi. She was princess of Mumbai. That's why Mumbai called Maya Nagari. Maya Devi and Bhagdat's daughter Bhanumati, she married to Duryodhan due to Bhishma Pitame. Bhishma Pitame was good friend of Bhagdat. Arjun was also good friend of Bhagdat before the Kurukshetra. Chitrangada, also related to this dynasty. She was daughter of the general of Bhagdat and nearest bloodline. Chitrangada's son was Babru Bahan. He is Lok Devta in their territory. His name is now Masan Baba, like Gogaji, Ramsa, and Ramdev Ji, Pir, Ramdev Tamar, Gogaji, Hadbuji Sankla, Tejaji Maharaj. That type of he is Lok Devta in the Kuch Bihar territory. In Narak was
Kuch Bihar has any relation with Jaipur?
Prayag Jyotishpur,
Prag Jyotishpur.
Kamrup, Kamtapur. They all are related to Kuch Bihar. Kuch Bihar's earlier name, King Janak, was real, we can say, King Janak caretake Maharaj Narak and Sita. Due to this, Sita and Narak is brother and sisters.
पृथ्वी में से जन्म हुआ सीता का।
Narak is also from Dharti. Narak is also son of Dharti, and Sita ji is also son of Dharti. And who is Palak? Pala posa kisne? Un samada ne Janak ji. That's why Janak is father of Narak also and Sita ji also. After it, in Dwapar, Prag Jyotishpur, this area called Prag Jyotishpur, Kamrup and Kamtapur, and king's name is Bhagdat. King's name Bhagdat and Princess Chitrangda, Princess Bhanumati. After in this Kaliyug, this area called Kamtapur and Koch Bihar, Kamrup and Kamakhya. Kamakhya is
मानस को एनिमल बना सकते हैं।
Yes, the superpowers is there. Because this Bhumi is Swarg, Apsara's Bhumi, deity's Bhumi, and the Bhumi of the holy peoples. In Kaliyug, king's name is Kamteshwar Maharaj, because he was the king of Kamta. That's why he called Kamteshwar. And their Kuladevi is Kamakhya Mata, like our Jambai Mata, Rathod's Nagnechi ji, Chauhan's Asa Purwa, Sakambris. Kamakhya Palace. Jaipur. We coming for in Jaipur, but about in this time we are talking about Kuch Bihar. Jaipur is coming now. Maharaja Kamteshwar's after their one general and their Jamidar, his name is Hariya Mandal. His two twins, Hira and Jira. His son Vishnu Singh again coronated to the Kuch Bihar, and this place called Koch Bihar. King Janak's dynasty is Nimi, and now it called Katoch in Himachal and this areas, but in their area they called Koch because pronunciation. Katoch is now Koch. Koch Bihar means the area where Kochs are residing. Area where Katochs are residing is called Koch Bihar. King Vishnu Singh's son Nar Narayan and Prince Shukladhwaj. Nar Narayan's daughter Chama Devi married to Maharaja Man Singh first in 16th century. Maharaja Man Singh, when invaded Bengal and Pathans, King Narnarayan of Kuch Bihar was fully supported with Man Singh, and they have organized an army to defend